So is your MacBook dirty with all the finger grease and dust? Well, worry not. In this video, I will guide you with how you can clean your MacBook properly. So before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe this channel. So first of all, you will need a few things. You will need a laptop cleaner like this one. Also, get a clean microfiber cloth like this one. Now once you have these things, you can start cleaning your MacBook. So first of all, you need to shut down your MacBook. Now don't do this the normal way, as a single key press will turn on your MacBook and this will make it difficult to clean your device. So instead, follow these steps to shut down your MacBook. Press and hold this command, control and shift key together for 10 seconds. Keep holding the keys for 10 seconds. Now after 10 seconds, press and hold the power button along with these keys. Now the MacBook is turned off. Now, if I press a key, this won't turn it on. Now you can easily clean your MacBook without any issues. So first of all, wipe the screen of your MacBook with this microfiber cloth, like this. Be gentle with your device. Now similarly, wipe the keyboard and the trackpad. Now wipe the body of the MacBook, like this. Even wipe the edges and the corners. Now once you have done this, use the cleaner. Don't spray the cleaner directly on the device. Instead, spray it on the cloth, like this. And then clean your MacBook. First, clean the keyboard. Do this gently. Rub the keys properly to remove any finger grease and smudges. While cleaning, don't be harsh on your device. If you spray the liquid directly on the keyboard, trackpad or display, then this can damage the hardware. Now once you have cleaned the keyboard, clean trackpad as well. Spray the liquid on the cloth. Now rub the trackpad with the cloth. I would recommend to use a good quality cleaner to prevent any damages. So now the keyboard, trackpad and the body is cleaned. Now it's time to clean the display. Spray the liquid on the cloth, like this. And now, rub the display with the cloth. Do this gently. While doing this, don't apply any pressure to the screen. Clean the webcam properly. And that's it. The display is also clean. Now it's time to clean the lid and the back body. For this, close the lid like this. Now, turn around your laptop, like this. Spray the liquid on the cloth and now rub it. You can clean the body without the liquid, but that can leave finger smudges. Once done, turn around your laptop, like this. Now clean the front part. Spray the liquid on the cloth and now rub the cloth over the body, like this. So that's it, the MacBook is now clean. So this is how you can clean your MacBook properly. So that's it for this video. For more such tech content and guides, you can visit our website ithacks.com. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.